In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Fidelity Stock Screener. This powerful tool helps you find stocks that meet specific criteria like valuation, growth, dividends, and more. Fidelity Screener includes over 140 criteria, and it even allows you to save your custom screens for future use. Let's dive right in. First, open the Stock Screener. Begin by signing in to your Fidelity account. Once you're logged in, hover over the News and Research section. This is where you'll find various research tools. Click on Stocks to continue. Then select Stock Screener or click Launch Stock Screener. This simple navigation gets you to the heart of the action. Now it's time to start a screen. Here you have two options. You can either use a predefined screen, which includes quick screens or expert strategies, or you can build your own custom screen from scratch. Using predefined screens can save you time, but building a custom screen gives you full control over the criteria. Next up, add your screening criteria. Click on Select Criteria to begin. You'll see a wide variety of filters to choose from. Some popular options include market cap, sector, dividend yield, P/E ratio, revenue growth, earnings growth, analyst ratings, and technical indicators. You can also quickly find what you need by typing the name of a criterion in the search box. This flexibility allows you to tailor the screen exactly to your needs. With your criteria selected, it's time to set your filter values. For each criterion, you can enter a range such as a P/E ratio under 20, select categories like large cap, or choose percentile buckets such as very high growth. The results will update automatically as you adjust these filters. This dynamic updating helps you see the impact of your choices in real time. After that, review the results. Once your screen returns matches, you can sort them by any column to better analyze the data. Explore further by viewing company research, comparing selected stocks side by side, adding promising stocks to a watch list, or preparing trades for later review. This comprehensive review process ensures you're making informed decisions based on your criteria. At this point, you might want to save your screen if you find one you like. Simply click Save Screen, give it a memorable name, and access it later from the Save Screen section. This feature is crucial as it allows you to rerun the same criteria with updated market data, ensuring you always have the most current information. Here's a helpful feature to note. If a stock you expected doesn't appear in your results, use the Don't See a Stock You Expected or Add My Stocks options. This lets you see which criteria the stock failed to meet, allowing you to adjust your screen accordingly. It's a valuable tool for refining your search and broadening your understanding of the criteria. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using the Fidelity Stock Screener. With these steps, you can efficiently find stocks that match your investment strategy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different criteria. Thank you for joining me today, and happy screening!